There'll be no more dripping on my head. How's everybody doing? We're doing just fine. OJ and Deb at home. No Raven.
No Raven.
We locked her up in the house with her mama. So we've been busy. Not videoing that much though, but we've been busy.
Got a little bit of video.
Got a little bit of video, and
one of these days we'll get around to editing.
Yeah. But we're doing this intro after the fact. We had a young fella come out and give us a quote on doing all the eavestrough and downspouts. And I gave him a call back and said, go for it. So he said I'd be here. He'd be here on a Tuesday, I guess it was.
Yeah, last Tuesday.
Last Tuesday.
Well, this is the 22nd. This is the first day of fall.
First day of fall. Look at that, folks.
By the time you guys watch it, probably a couple of weeks later.
It'll be well into the fall.
We're kind of going with weekly if possible.
Yeah, we'll see.
We'll see how that goes.
Yeah. But he's all done and everything. Well, we had it took a little bit of time because he started the one day. He said, I'll come back in the morning and I'll put the downspouts on. I said, okay. Well, guess what? Rain.
Well, we've got a little bit of video of that.
Yeah.
He come out one morning and it was just orange. Not the sky was great, but everything looked
weirdest,
orange.
And it's hard to video when you're can't see because I'm still half asleep. But
so that was in the morning, and then that night we had lots of rain, lots of lightning. So we have some of that too to put in the video. Yeah,
the morning it was really weird. It sort of rained a little bit.
Enough that he couldn't come. Yeah.
But that night it really did rain lots. And so.
But he came by Thursday, so he really
Thursday.
only missed the one day.
One day,
yeah.
And he said, well, so you're out. I said, bye. And then I didn't even walk from the back lane to the front of the house. Pouring rain.
Just in time.
So I just got it done in time. It all works really well.
Yep. So nice to have them. We don't have water coming down on the deck off the roof.
Yeah, we'd be sitting in with our bedroom window open if we had it open wide, because it's an awning window. Well, it's coming off the roof and hitting the awning. Well, everything's flowing.
Lovely. He did such a good job.
Yeah,
looks
flowing
good.
The way it's supposed to. And nothing like. I was up there before we ripped them off, and the eavestroughs are almost full in some spots. Well, yeah. Somebody didn't tell that person that the water doesn't run uphill, but. And,
so that's another big job done before winter.
Yeah.
And you've been playing around in the man cave she shed.
On the man side. In the man cave side.
You got a bit of a yawn going there?
Yeah. Sorry, you guys are keeping me up. So I'm having my nap.
So we have some video of that for another day. Maybe sometime we'll get that in.
It's looking amazing in there. I had to beef some of the rafters up and
he's got lots
sheeted
of storage now. We haven't been doing a lot of video, just little clips here and there, but
yeah,
we're getting kind of lazy with the video.
Yeah.
it's kind of hard to video in there anyway.
When you're trying to video in there and everything's so close quarters.
Yeah.
Like it's like being right here. When you're videoing, like I can't see because you're taking up the whole screen.
Yeah.
There's the mayor's dad driving by.
On his little scooter.
Yeah, just scooting around.
So, it's a little chilly today.
It is a little chilly, but it's nice.
Yeah.
It's not bad for the first day of fall.
We're just relaxing.
Yeah.
Back to work probably tomorrow.
Yeah.
I've been doing some stuff too. We haven't done any video. I'm trying to get an area ready to make some raised beds so that we can plant some stuff in the springtime. Not sure how far we'll get on that, but hopefully we'll have a long fall.
Yeah.
I was thinking today, like, we started working on this place November 1st.
Yes.
And
my oldest daughter says, I'm looking for the 1 year video of a time lapse of everything. Well, I started doing that last night, and I said, I can't do this anymore. I gotta walk away.
Well, it's gonna be a year's worth of video.
Oh, I got everything, and then I'm scrolling down. Oh my, there's more here. There's more.
I don't know how we'll do that. I think
I might end up having to.
There'll be more than one, I think.
Yeah, downloading one of my own videos because I didn't save them.
Parts out of
and
that.
taking parts and then delete the rest, and then yeah.
Something to look forward to. Maybe by November we'll get around to doing that. So
we'll try for the 1st November, but no guarantees.
So should we show them the eavesdrop video?
I guess we should show them.
We'll
you want to
just
see?
Plunk that in right here.
And don't you dare leave.
We'll be right back.
Yeah, and make sure you like and subscribe. Thanks. Enjoy. So today's the day. Eavestrough, he just measured this front one up to put it up first, and I guess he'll start his machine up and extract it through. We'll have to go and see if we can get some of that. Quiet this thing is. Just sets it in there and adjusts it all from there. Cool. A little glare off my roof there. Everything just perfect. Just like me, up and down, up and down, up and down. There'll be no more dripping on my head. Other side getting done. So there's number 2 up there. We just drilled the hole for the drain. Got it all set up for the downspout. And that'll be 2 sides done. Look at that, one hand. So he's just about done. He's got this all done. Still got some downspouts on the other side to do. But see, he's run my gutter, the eavestrough. and then it's coming down and it joins into the one at the back there. It looks amazing. He's all done for today. He got all the eavestrough, the gutters, and then this one up here just joins in and comes down and joins into here and goes over here, and then we have a downspout on this side, and he's going to come back in the morning and put all these downspouts in, all three of them, and then he's done these ones, so there'll be one on the far end over there. I'll walk over there. Try not to blind you with the sun when I look up. So you got one more there. Then there's one little spot right there. And then we'll be all done tomorrow. You've done an awesome job here. We'll put his information in the description for anyone that's wondering. Bright and early this morning. It's all kind of reddish out. I don't know if you can tell or not in the video. And look at that, just like that, we have a downspout. So, here's number 2, done. Just one more over here. And he'll be all done. Well, I went in to grab something and come back. I already had the spouts on. It's all done. Packing her up. Done an amazing job here. So, wasn't that good? He did an amazing job. And because their gutter runs across here and then down the slope and hooks into the other one. I don't know, how in the world are you going to do that? But he did
has
it.
his ways.
He has his ways.
You probably noticed in the video the barking dogs across the back lane. They almost drove him crazy.
He said, "This, if I lived here, it'd drive me nuts." Yeah.
Well, hopefully,
I'm getting there.
hopefully winter will change that.
Yeah. So yeah.
But yes, Andrew Creasy will You said he's got a company name. We will put
I can't-
that. We'll
It
put that in
starts
the
with P.
description.
That's all I remember.
We'll have to look at his business card.
Oh,
I think you better have an
I think I
afternoon
better
nap.
have a nap. Anyways, thank you, Andrew, once again. You did an amazing job.
And thanks everybody for
And,
watching.
We'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.
Bye bye.